Take your mind in.
You know it.
Adi big auntie.
Million is the original black Chinese. For real.
Blue star, right?
What the?
Like,
Boom, this your boy and we back with y'all again. Hello friends. We on the farm right now. Sun hot the fuck. The sun making it more worse because it's like it bouncing out the sun. But shade house number 1. Shade house number 2. A little nursery. Like just gonna give y'all a little glimpse of it. But right now, before I get out to the spot, show y'all what's going on. It was a little fight, to be very honest. Hold on, it was a little fight to get it set up, but we get it up and running now, you know. Pot hot enough flop at the top there. Fire at the bottom as well, you know. We outside. Yeah, man. And everybody doing the part, the man, the kitchen there. I'm gonna show you how we went out with Millie before we got the back actually. Yeah, I wouldn't even believe who's the chef for the day. Look at that. He copying me.
yeah.
Yeah, G. Yeah, bro. Nah, it's joking. He copying me. He actually remind me. It's not that I forget about y'all, but he actually remind me a little bit. I'll show y'all. Virgin, Melino, bubble in the pot. Not even Chinese. Fun fact, this is actually Lil Million, the artiste, a well-known Guyanese musician worldwide, and despite having millions of views on his YouTube channel, he's still a very cool and down-to-earth person, because we spent the day at the farm and we were bush cooking his famous Guyanese Chinese fried rice, which beat mad, by the way. And you know, he was just a cool vibe to be around, so pick up yourself, Lil Million, enough respect. Yeah, people, as I was telling you earlier, he actually, you know, remind me and tell me I'm lacking, so yeah. Points, see a points move, man. This one time I did that.
Well, I see what's here, Papa.
Nah, I just know my game, man. What you talking about? This is what you talking about, G? Wrong story. Yeah, it turns out Keith ain't getting licks, people.
Watch.
Daddy, give me the ticket. Come, Ishmael. No, bring the slippers. Let Daddy put it on the bring. On the table. Come.
No.
Yeah, but you could have come back a little more.
Bro, you see?
Come, put it down. Come. Hold this up. Hold this up for that. Thank you.
Yeah, I tell them a story. The people have said they like it on the vlogs.
Play around the outside.
Yeah, bro. One John.
You smart. You got it black.
Very dead.
You got to take a walk to the back, boy.
Me?
So? There anything going on there? Yeah, I got no back in there. At least you have to tell me you get on so often.
Sick.
They're going on here.
Yet. Got your ass.
I want to see that. Think for the machine.
Tomorrow. Why you think I just scratched my arm? I just scratched my first story.
But the man said when you are going to get food off, you have to think you can get but a week more time.
You have it all then.
So do everything to this plan for something. I have this thing.
You plan?
You don't always remind me of when big shades like the Trevor. You know Trevor? From Bash my granny house, selling mother heart and father heart.
Oh,
this is how you have the shades turn back to get me. Pamper. Just this convict man is doing it. 2 way them see.
Back and front. But don't do it for time. Not forever. You know what I mean?
Back to the front.
You play your part. I want to see what going on though.
Yeah,
you know, because I don't want to do this thing before the man come in.
And the board them done with. Them done with.
Yeah, it's finished with. But we can plan back. The sticks done line up is just so scratch and put on. Yeah, the went here was when?
See what?
Eddie?
The 4 years day.
Eddie, they're back in the day.
Well, these poi we can move them for me. And you put them on a big bed in the back there.
All of this poi?
Yeah.
This boy.
Yes. Take leaf, Carlo. We can move all from here because I just put it here on heights, you know what I mean?
Just keep cutting and using that and they don't go back so.
No, you just cut and just keep shooting all the time. The hardest thing is put it down. How you put it down, you good to go.
Really ready to put the stuff into the fire and you know, we get the party rolling a little bit more.
Get off.
Right there, bro.
You're following the people playing get a job though, they're playing it, they're having fun. You're supposed to make money from them. Bring fish now?
Yeah,
This good in there too.
Nice.
No. Bro, people, look how this thing come into play. I can see that. My gosh, that looks nice. I mean, it's the original black chain. For real.
Blue star, right?
What that? Yeah, 4K.
Yeah, boy.
Wow. Glad I get off.
Really good muscle here, boy. Alright. Blue, catch.
We got fresh greens on the
What up?
fresh pumpkin inside there. Let's see if I just give you all a little peek. Can't really look at it, but see what's going on, people. Chicken.
It's chicken.
Chicken. One of the chicken fall out there. Nice big piece. I go for pick it up nobody, son. Even if I wash it out, you still gonna taste it. Son. Go for rest it down now.
What do you mean, a piece of chicken fell in the sand?
Yeah, it fall around there. Nice big piece.
I know I'm supposed to like show you all the food and all tell you how it tastes before I start eating, but
Food is so sweet. Too good. Too fucking good.
I like that. So we at it right now. Let me just get some rice and this chicken. This chicken look mad. I ain't gonna lie to you about them. This chicken.
You want cut what's over there?
Chicken bossing. Million do it thing. There's this same Lil Million. Then I knock it again. Big
Then I
auntie.
knock it again.
And the man, the specialist
The food knocking.
in the
Once
kitchen.
again.
The food knocking.
Take your mind in.
You know it.
How the big auntie?
One time. Let me see how it tastes, people, yo. I ain't gonna fake it, guy. I taste it for you, but
That's why you start the video.
alright? Working good.
You got any more rum, Jack?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some Chinese for it.
I can't see now what they for drink, but I don't feel in PS already. And it makes him start on doing it again. I don't want to be kind. No.
I'm gonna check with you later,
I feel
but
like knocking some food.
Buzz in the pot now.
Top.
We're walking. Cooking with gas and we ain't even using gas. I'm checking with y'all later though.
Check back in with y'all. You done. I'm about to eat my food right now. Nah, bro. You work for the Chinese.
The real taste.
You want to shout out to the restaurant?
I went to China get the menu.
Your real thing. Think it's nice.
I already know it is. God damn.
What's these seeds?
So that's
What
pretty.
you do with these seeds?
Seeds.
Sapodella seeds or something.
Sapodella seeds. You can plant it. Alright, beef. We done up pace on the farm. We now going and pack up and head back to town. See, I already know how it is. Like, comment, subscribe for another one, and we out.